Meteorologist Mary Kay Kleist here. Mary Kay, those gusts are a concern for tonight.
Right, and the National Weather Service went ahead with a severe thunderstorm warning just because of the wind intensity. There is still a leftover severe thunderstorm warning just for a few more minutes here until 5:30 for the southern edge of Cook County. They're not expecting to advance it into northwest Indiana. The winds are not as strong as they were when they first started near the Aurora airport. So you can see that line of strong winds. Yes, there are some gusty downpours tacked onto it, but this is all moving to the east at about 50 miles per hour. We just want you to be prepared for this dramatic change of cold wind coming in. It could be a little gusty. Moving into Gary at 5:28, Obert at 5:34, and then Valparaiso at about 5:46. You're going to have this transition of very cold air coming in with these gusty winds. We've had numerous reports, though, of high winds. I wanted to share some of the more impressive ones with you from the last hour. Look at Sugar Grove near Aurora at the airport there, 72-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Clare in DeKalb County, winds to 60. North Aurora, 56-mile-per-hour winds. Even at Rosemont and Deerfield, look at that. Winds to 50 at Rosemont, 48 miles per hour in Deerfield. I think the leading edge of this whole system is right now, and that's the most intense part. But we are keeping the wind advisory up until 3 a.m. tomorrow just because we are pulling in colder air, seeing winds now gusting to 47 miles per hour at Midway. It's because the first front came through. We have gusty showers behind it, big winds with us tonight. Part 2 comes with this second front. Could change things over to snow squalls tonight, and then we park under this chilly air mass for the rest of the weekend. In fact, colder than normal. Both days this weekend, it is going to feel like the 20s all day Saturday and all day Sunday. Be prepared for that. So after sunset, some of this rain will change over to some snow squalls. We call them that because of the high winds that will be pushing that snow around. By 7 a.m., maybe left over in northwest Indiana. And then we start with some clearing taking place in the far western suburbs tomorrow night. But Sunday, we should have sunshine. We should be in the low 50s. I'm looking at 30s both days. But again, Erica and Jim, it is going to feel like the 20s both days. So it's just feeling like the heart of winter.
Hold on to your hat. Thank you, Mary Kay.